Look at a Instagram post after hii kitu imeleak, angalia alipost nini. Then after posting, angalia hizo deals zilikuja. This deal and 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 this deal, my guy. Ukienda kulia hapo free mode Facebook, unamtrend, unaanza kumchokoza, unamtusi, criticize. The girl is winning big, my guy. The kind of sacrifices people make for money sometimes it's crazy, my guy. Crazy sacrifices people make for money. Mimi nafikiria kwamba the nudes zimeleak, kwamba now she's going through a lot now because sasa ataenda through depression because watu wameona uchi wake dunia mzima, my guy. You are wrong, bana. That is strategy. The other day Obina was talking about you need to strategize. Unataka kusurvive Nairobi, you have to strategize, not just working hard. And I'm telling you 100% sure that the lady Sherry Gabriela, that's a strategy to make money.